Have you ever wondered what virtual reality really is? Well, it's a fascinating realm where technology crafts experiences that transport us beyond the boundaries of the physical world. This intriguing concept, often abbreviated as VR, has a rich history that traces back to the mid-20th century. However, it wasn't until the late 80s and early 90s that VR began to take a recognizable form. The magic of VR lies in its technology. It uses computer algorithms and sensors to track our movements, replicating them in a virtual environment. This creates an illusion of being somewhere else, making our brain believe we're immersed in a completely different reality. From its early days as a concept to its present-day applications in gaming, education, and even healthcare, VR has evolved tremendously. It's more than just a buzzword. It's a tool that's shaping our future. With that basic understanding of VR, let's dive deeper into the different types of VR. Did you know there are different types of virtual reality? That's right, virtual reality, or VR, isn't just a one-size-fits-all technology. It's a spectrum, ranging from non-immersive to semi-immersive, and all the way to fully immersive. Starting off, non-immersive VR is the least immersive type. It's like playing a video game on your computer or console. You're in a virtual world, but you're still very aware of the real world around you. Stepping up, we have semi-immersive VR. This is where things start to get more interesting. Think flight simulators or certain arcade games. You're more involved in the virtual world, but you can still sense the real world. Finally, we reach the peak, fully immersive VR. This is the VR you often see in sci-fi movies. You're completely absorbed in the virtual world, and your senses are fully engaged. Now, let's focus on the most exciting type of all, fully immersive virtual reality. Imagine being in a world that is not real, yet feels incredibly real. Welcome to the world of immersive virtual reality. This form of VR is designed to fully immerse you in a simulated environment, tricking your senses into believing you're somewhere else entirely. It achieves this by using a combination of high-resolution visuals, surround sound audio, and even haptic feedback to create a convincing world. Let's not forget about metaverses, the expansive digital universes that exist within the realm of immersive virtual reality. They offer boundless possibilities, from socializing in a virtual New York City to exploring alien worlds, all from the comfort of your living room. The potential applications of immersive VR are vast. It can be used in entertainment, education, healthcare, and even in the corporate world for training purposes. The possibilities are as limitless as the virtual worlds themselves. Immersive virtual reality certainly sounds exciting, doesn't it? But how does it relate to user experience, or UX? User experience plays a crucial role in any digital technology. But how does it factor into immersive virtual reality? As we delve into the world of immersive VR, we find that UX is not just important, it's paramount. In this realm, UX design goes beyond aesthetics and functionality. It crafts the entire virtual environment, shaping the user's perception and interaction with this new world. The immersion factor of VR hinges on the user's sensory experience. This means UX designers have to think on multiple dimensions, factoring in aspects like spatial awareness, navigational cues, and sensory feedback. Users should feel as if they are physically present in that virtual environment. This heightens their emotional engagement and makes the experience more memorable. The implementation of UX in immersive VR is a blend of art and technology. It requires a deep understanding of human psychology, technical know-how, and creative flair. Immersive VR has a myriad of uses that we are just beginning to explore. So where is immersive virtual reality being used today? Well, let's dive right in. One of the most prominent areas is gaming. By immersing players in completely digital worlds, games become compellingly realistic experiences. Imagine battling dragons or exploring alien planets, all from the comfort of your living room. But it's not all fun and games. Education is another major area. Virtual field trips can take students to the farthest corners of the universe or the smallest parts of a cell, creating engaging and interactive learning experiences. Healthcare, too, is tapping into the potential of immersive VR. Surgeons are using it for intricate operations, psychologists for treating phobias, and physical therapists for rehabilitation. Moreover, VR's use extends to business training, architectural design, and even social media, with virtual meetups and concerts. The possibilities of VR are endless, and it's creating new opportunities in the job market. So let's keep our eyes on this exciting technology. Virtual and augmented reality are not just for fun and games. They're also creating new jobs in the tech industry. As these technologies continue to grow, we're seeing a surge in demand for a variety of roles. There are VR and AR developers who are responsible for creating the software that powers these experiences. They need to have a strong background in computer science, as well as a deep understanding of the specific requirements of VR and AR development. Designers, too, play an essential role in the VR and AR industry. They create the user interfaces and experiences that make these technologies engaging and accessible. On the business side, there are also roles for project managers and product managers who oversee the development of VR and AR products from inception to launch. And let's not forget about the technical writers, the folks who create the documentation that helps users understand how to use these products. The future of immersive virtual reality looks promising. What does the future hold for immersive virtual reality? As we gaze into the crystal ball of technological advancement, we can see a number of fascinating possibilities. Firstly, we expect a rapid evolution of the hardware. The bulky headsets of today are likely to be replaced with sleeker, lighter versions, perhaps even as unobtrusive as a pair of glasses. Secondly, we anticipate a leap in the quality of the virtual experiences. The environments will become more detailed and the interactions more natural. Now let's consider the impact on society. Immersive VR has the potential to revolutionize numerous fields, from education to healthcare, from entertainment to remote work. Imagine attending a virtual class with students from around the globe, or receiving medical treatment from a world-class surgeon in a different continent. The future of immersive virtual reality is bound to be exciting, transformative, and beyond our current comprehension. We can't wait to see what's next.